Say you're a medic, I don't want to. What? Catch up. Why are you still here? Why am I still here? I just got my ass chased around this goddamn museum by something I couldn't see. I want to know what the hell they are, what they're doing in the goddamn city. I want to know what 713 knows about it. 713 is. Okay? That information is classified. That means it's none of your fucking business. We've got this under control. Thank you. I don't need your help. Get him out of here, Marco. That's very nice of me.